Hey y'all, Elijah Prevet here, back with another video, and I gotta show y'all how I made $60,000 purchasing real estate. Yes, in this market, $60,000, it's possible, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did it, the before and after of the renovation, and I'll make a separate video about how I found the deal using Redfin later, because that's really the most important part. But in this video, I want to show you all the before, I want to show you all the after, and if you haven't seen the video I made in the past about this property, definitely check that out. But in that video, I said I made $40,000. The numbers actually got better. I'll go into that too. So let's get right into the content here. So I'm going to pull y'all over to my Matterport scan, and here we are at the beginning of the property. So as you can see, I pulled up all the carpet, and like in that other video, it was moldy, gross carpet, moldy, gross furniture over here, like actual mold all over it. And I pulled up the gross carpet here. Now, pro tip, I can actually talk to y'all about later how to save a lot of money on stairs. For those of you that don't know, stairs are very expensive, and I put luxury vinyl plank throughout the property for tenants to be like as tenant proof as I could, and that can get super expensive on stairs. So we're gonna talk about that, but let's continue on. So as you can see, I've already got like a newer light fixture here, but I'd already changed that out at the point in this video. But you can see like the old, like the original brick, and then the old fireplace guard thing here. So there's that. If we continue on into the kitchen, you've got like the outdated gross wallpaper. You've got the damaged can light here. You've got the old cabinets, old countertops. This stuff right here is amazing, by the way. But anyways, if we continue on into the kitchen, you've got the damaged cabinet door, you've got damaged cabinet drawer and door here, and just overall outdated, again, gross wallpaper. And if you walk over here, you can see, unfortunately, I did not do a scan in the bathroom, but the old outdated like wallpaper, again, very dim, very dark in there. And so, yeah, now let's continue on to the upstairs here. So up here, same kind of thing. You got the outdated light fixture here. If you continue on into the bathroom, they had a leak at some point here, and so they put in a new vanity top, and it's against this wall here. That's kind of weird. It's like doesn't line up with this, but you can see the light fixtures, the towel rod, the really gross, nasty tub there, the older fixtures there. And then, sorry to spin you around like that. If we continue on into this bedroom here, you see like the dark colors, you've got the patches on the walls, you've got like drawing on the walls, and again, there was really nasty carpet in this room too. Everything just looks dingy and dirty, and that's part of how you get a good deal, y'all. That's part of how you get a good deal. So again, just extra room here, not too much going on in this room. Again, I already put in this light fixture when I did this scan, but yeah, so that's that. Let's go into the after now. So the after, here we go. So I've already got my furniture in here, but I still wanted to show y'all the after. So yes, I did move into this property. I'm early on in my investing journey, and so we got a low down payment and went ahead and moved in. But as you can see, luxury vinyl plank throughout, and on the stairs here, that trick, instead of getting treads, like full treads for the stairs, you actually take the same flooring that's on the floor, and you put it down and then put a small lip on the front of it to cover up the edge. I'm telling you, that will save you like so much. Like this originally was going to end up costing probably like per tread alone like $50 a stair, and doing it like that and just getting these long strips and cutting them down for each stair was probably like 15 bucks a stair. So big difference. Yeah, so we continue on, and you can see painted the fireplace like the outside white, the inside the fire resistant black, painted everything like a grayish beige. and then outlined it with the white, updated the hardware on all the doors. If we move on to the kitchen here, now I could have gone a little bit more expensive in the kitchen, and I'll go into that. So I put on these countertops here, and honestly, I could have put on granites, I could have put on quartz. Still thinking about it, but I got a wonderful deal on these countertops here, and basically I just repaired the damaged part here, had the countertop guy replace the damaged part here, and just put this sheet over it. And again, it's a lower end rental, so I mean, don't spend too much money on this. Make it look nice, make it clean, but don't spend too much money. I'm considering putting in the countertops, but I'll leave this for now until it gets damaged with a tenant inevitably. So I painted the cabinets, put on new hardware, and just look at the difference. Like, got in the new appliances, just amazing the difference there with this kitchen versus before. So in this bathroom here, again, I painted, you can kind of see it here, maybe if I back out here, you can't really see it, but I painted the original cabinets. Don't go swinging hammers. Paint it, put on new hardware, and be done with it. I wanted to leave this mirror here the way it is. It actually had a crack in it, and so I wanted to leave that to show y'all that instead of going and buying a whole new mirror and doing a whole new thing, I adhesived that to the wall, went and got some boards and bordered over that edge, and it looks like this white board here, and it looks like a brand new mirror right off the shelf. That would cost you 150, 200 bucks, but I just went and got some board, cut that down, and bordered that, and you know, a tenant wouldn't know the difference. New towel rod, and I actually did a video on updating this vanity here. Go check that out. I did that for like $5 or $10, but just basically spray painted that, and it looks great, and it's still obviously held up really well, even though we use that bathroom a lot. If it gets worn down, we'll just repaint it. So yeah, that is the downstairs. Yes, we got a cat, and I will be making another channel and videos on that, so that's interesting. But side note, anyways, we got the faux wood blinds here. You can see that, and if we continue on up the stairs, all right, so luxury vinyl plank throughout, just trying to make it as tenant proof as possible. We go on into the bathroom. I moved this vanity over so that it just went in line with this mirror here, and I'm gonna border up this mirror here just like I'm doing downstairs, replace the towel rod, cleaned up the shower, which you can't see right now, but cleaned that up. But I left, notice I left the light fixture, I left the medicine cabinet, I left this. I didn't go swinging hammers. Save a lot of money by doing that. Put in new switches here. I messed up the scan here. You can see that with the door open. But anyways, need to hang up this light fixture here, but I kept the original one because it looked nice, but I just repainted. I put on new door hardware. I put on new face plates. I put on new switches. Just, you know, make it look nice. But I saved a lot of money by not swinging hammers. You know, don't go crazy. But there's the cat. But anyways, I put in the light fixture here. Tell me that doesn't look so much better. But yeah, saved a lot of money. So let's get into the numbers now. So I spent about $20,000 between closing costs, expenses on all of this. I spent about 20 grand. So let me break that down. I spent about $1,000 in paint. I had like $2,000 in plumbing, about $5,000 or $6,000 in flooring, maybe $1,000 to $2,000 in miscellaneous, $5,000 in closing costs, $4,500 in siding. So it came out to about $20,000. I was in the deal for $110. $20,000 into it puts me at $130. There was originally a comp that I think sold for $165. That I was basing my numbers off of, so it was a small deal. Then with, you know, down payment, that put me at 105. So that put me at like, you know, if that put me at 125 into it, so like a $40,000 deal. But there's recently been a home sold in here that had multiple offers at 185. So if that pushes 190 or 195, I've easily got another $30,000 in equity on top of my $40,000. So if that pushes $200,000, I mean, we'll see. But wow, man, and at least minimum an extra 20 grand in equity there. So we're looking at least 60,000 in equity as compared to before where I only had the 40. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the walkthrough. I'm planning on doing more videos like this on other properties that I get. I have one more I could do a video on. And like I said earlier, I'm going to do a video on how I found the deal, and I'm thinking about making videos on helping people find deals and talking about people's deals and talking about whether or not they're a good deal. So if y'all like the video, please like it, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.